Submitting your data to ICPSR, a step-by-step guide to using ICPSR's online data deposit system. Before you begin, you may wish to review the What Should My Deposit Include document to make sure you have everything ready before starting the process. To begin, click on Start Deposit. This will open up a short questionnaire that will ask some of these questions. Was your data collection funded by one of the following agencies? Are you archiving your data because a journal or publisher requires the data to be available? And if you answer no to the first two questions, you will get the final question. How do you want ICPSR to archive your data? Depending on your answers, you will either deposit your data at ICPSR or at openICPSR. What's the difference between the two? Depositing your data to ICPSR means your data will be professionally reviewed for technical problems and disclosure risk, carefully documented, made available in a wide variety of formats, and all ICPSR deposits include restricted data management. Depositing data to openICPSR means your data will be distributed exactly as it's received, without a review, and made available in whatever format is provided by the depositor. In this video, we are focusing on data being deposited using the ICPSR option. Once you choose Deposit Data to ICPSR, a new project window will open with the archive field preloaded based on your response to the opening questionnaire. This is where you will choose a project title and save the new project. This will then open the Deposit Manager Workspace, and you will be guided through the process of uploading your data and documentation. A few key items to note about the Deposit Manager Workspace. Required elements are indicated in red. Question icons offer tips and explanations as well as examples. For instance, if you click on the question icon next to the required summary section, it will open a window explaining what a summary should include and several examples you can review. Need additional help? You can click on Report a Problem at the right or Contact Us at the top and email our help desk. In addition to the required fields, there are several optional fields we highly recommend you fill out to enhance the discoverability of your data. These optional fields cover such areas as project scope, methodology, and related publications. After filling out the required fields and any optional fields you choose to complete, you can upload your files and click on Submit to ICPSR. You'll receive confirmation of your deposit, and an ICPSR staff member will be notified of your submission, and the process will start. Additional resources you might want to review include the following: a metadata guide where you can learn more about the study level metadata to include, a curation guide with an overview of the steps from pre-deposit through post-release support of data, FAQs found on our Start Deposit page, the guide for sharing qualitative data, as well as a full in-depth guide to social science data preparation and archiving. Of course, you can always email the ICPSR help desk with any questions that you have, whether it's before, during, or after your submission. We hope this helps. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Let's get ready to share our data.